Hi everyone, in the previous tutorial we have learned how to develop this layout. Okay, now in this tutorial we are going to create a little bit more complicated layout as compared to this one, and the layout is is this is the layout. Okay, we just go through this layout. What are the different sections in this layout? This one is the logo. Okay, this one is title area. Okay, but title here in this section, this title area contains 3 rows. First row is for social media icons. Okay, this second row is for heading. Some, if you want to place some heading here, we can write here my website or something, any website which you want to develop. And this one is navigation bar. Okay, in the earlier layout we have placed this navigation bar between the slider and between the header, but we are just included now navigation bar within the title bar. Okay, after the header section, there is a slider and registration form. We have divided the slider and registration form in different parts. Okay, in the slider part we have divided it in 2 parts. One for this one is for image, and the content it is going to display the respective content according to image. And here you can see that this pink color is indicating registration form. Here it is another column, another row, that is for download section. This is for notification section. Okay, different means registration form, we have divided registration form in 3 parts and slider in 2 parts. In the same way we have divided left side of the third row in a mainly 2 section. Okay, first section, let us assume this is a login form, and second section is this one is for registration form. Okay, news headlines, and this one is a different section for the content. Okay, and this one is footer. Now we need to create this layout. At first we have already coded previously. Okay, just go through it once. We have already coded and we have created layout like this one. Now we need to convert this layout to this layout. For that, at first we need to create 3 row in title sections. Okay, now I am going to start coding. Okay, div class title span 10. Okay, div class equal to row, div close the div, and now we need to create div class offset 7 span 1. Div class equal to span 1, div now we need to place some custom CSS social icons. This file, Okay, we have created 3 icon for the social icons. Now next is that we need to place some text. We need to write as heading. Okay, website heading. For that we again need to create row, div class equal to row, and div close it, and div class equal to span 10, span 10, which one, my website. And we save this file. Okay, if you want to write some custom css for heading, you can write, and you can include with the span tag, span 10 class within span tag 10 class. Now next is that we need to create navigation bar. For navigation bar we are creating div class equal to row. For that we need to create row. Okay, div class equal to span 10 div. We need to create our own custom css for navigation bar, nav underscore bar. Okay, nav bar already is css which defined in Bootstrap dot nav underscore bar. TPX. Save this file and refresh it. Okay, it is looking very good. 35, 30, 35. Save it. Thirty-five. Px margin 5x. Save this file. Okay, save file. This file. We have created 3 rows for the data, and we have created here the social icon with this one website as a heading, and green strip for navigation bar. Now next is that we need to create 2 sections for the slider. Okay, we need to create 2 for the slider. one for the image and one for the respective content, and three section, three row for in the for reg form. Okay, registration form for the right side of the second rows. Okay, for that we need to create again the class row slider. Again we need to create div class equal to row. Whenever you if if you want to create any row, then you have to use row class. Okay, for creating a row, we are here using nested div. Okay, within a div, nested grid system. Within a grid, we are creating another grid. T plus div plus this one. Right. Plus div. So we have here created two divs. Now next is that we need to specify our custom CSS, that is image. Okay, dot image background height 200 px background content. Save this file, image content. Refresh it. How it is? Okay, fine. We have created so far two rows for the slider tag, for the slider box. Okay, and that red box is going to contain the image, and that brown box, which is image content, it is going to contain respective content for that image. Okay, now next is that we need to divide this reg form, okay, yellow part, in a three different section. Okay, we need to create three rows. For that we have to create three rows for span 4 reg form class div class equal to span 4. Okay, to create, you need to call row class first, div class equal to row. SD div class equal to span 4. Because we have to create 3 rows in reg form, so we just copy and pasting this 3 line for the 3 times. Okay, this is going to contain now from download and notification. Okay, download. It's save the file and it and the difference outlook. Great. So we have created 3 rows within the reg form. Okay, for that purpose, first row is going to contain form, user registration form. Okay, registration form. Second row is going to contain download link. You can place anything, but in this tutorial you learn that how to organize your div, how to write Bootstrap coding. Okay, notification. Save it. Now next is I need to create for the sites. Okay, like this one. Okay, we need to create and we need to create these rows. Okay, for the right side, here we have in the earlier tutorial we have learned that how to use how to create a simple layout using grid system, but in this tutorial you learn how to use how to create a layout using nested grid. Okay, now we are now going to concentrate our coding in for the left side. Okay, just the coding left side. Left side, left side, left side, left side. Div class equal to row div div class equal to login area login login area. Height 200 pixel. Okay, background. Okay. Login heading. Okay, we created three custom CSS. One is for login area, and with that login area is going to contain again and two rows, and for that two rows we need to create we have already created a two class, that is for login heading and login content. Now it is time to use that custom CSS which we have created just. For that we need to create here again div class rows. For login heading, div class equals to row div div equal to assign for login heading with login heading. Okay, now login content save this file and refresh it, check how it look. Okay, login heading, we need to replace some other color here color. Okay, login heading orange. Save it. Okay, fine. In the same way we can copy it to create another set of another set of section for the news area. Okay, for this section of area we need to copy and paste whatever we have created for the login area. Okay, for that we need to copy that much of line, copy and paste, save it and refresh this file. Okay, if you want to place some spacing between the login area and the news heading and news area where that. Okay, you can call div class row class equal to clear. We save this file and refresh it. It looks fine. And okay. So we have to add div class clear. Here, refresh it. Good. Okay, we need to add some more space for left side and right side. That we need to increase left side, the height of the left side and right side by a little bit of 20 pixel. Okay, 20 pixel left side by 440 and 440 right side 440. Save this file, refresh it. Place it 4K, it look good. Now is the way to create more we need to create more boxes, more 3 rows for the site. For that we have just we need to create one more custom CSS, that is right side box. Okay, height and 10 page background. this file. Create here you learn how to create a layout using Bootstrap, that is by using nested grid layout. Okay, we have just go through this tutorial one more time by typing line by line and make some changes in CSS and see what is the difference it make. Okay, thank you for your time. Keep watching for next video tutorial. In my next video tutorial we are going to discuss one more layout. That layout is layout number 3. It is layout number 3. This layout we are going to discuss in next tutorial. Okay, keep watching. Thank you for your time.